Here is the sign for ask. Okay, we're going to use both hands. The hand shapes look like this. So if you start with an open hand, fingers together, thumbs alongside. All right, now take those, put them together, and put them down here. That's going to be our first starting position. Fingertips pointing straight away. Now the second part is to go like this. Ask. So the fingertips start pointing away and then they end up pointing straight up. All right, ask. From the side, ask. Ask. From the other side, ask. Ask. All right, from the front again, ask. So starting from the rest position, let's do it 3 times. Sign with me. Here we go. Ask. 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 Now this concept of ask also works for request. Like you're requesting, you want someone to do something, you're requesting, you're asking for it. Ask. Remember the hand shapes are the same, pretty basic. Put them together. Tips of the fingers pointing forward to start with. Now just pivot up. Ask. All right, we just talked about how to sign ask.